This video is powered by Oxygen, the digital expert. Hello guys, welcome to the most fantastic, fabulous, futuristic, last show of the century, which is Pearle Technique. If you still haven't subscribed, please make sure hit the subscribe button. If you have already subscribed, please don't touch that button. So once again, welcome to today's episode of Pearle Technique.
Pearle, what are you doing? We have a shoot right now.
Yeah, coming.
Come fast.
Every day, same phone only they will give. I want to do something different. God, why are you testing me like this? Give me an answer. Please. God, he also has 5G connect. iPad Pro. This is so nice. Thank you, God, for answering my prayer, okay? Thank you. Anyway, let's do the unboxing, okay? God, one more question. Please don't misunderstand me. Do you have iPencil also? You might. Thank you. So guys, this is what we're gonna unbox today. This is an iPad Pro and this is one of the best that Apple has ever come out with. This is the iPad you're looking for. Let's get the unboxing. Here we have the iPad Pro. That was a quick unboxing. So let's just take a look at this. Definitely, I love the feel, the texture over here. And it looks very futuristic. You know what I mean? It's got a very minimalistic. At the same time, it's got a very classy look. It's thinner actually compared to my previous iPad. On these sides, we can see the quad speakers. And they have the mic also over here and the power button. Over here they have the pencil charger. This is how you connect the Apple Pencil. They also have the keyboard connector, the 3 dots over here. They have the charging slot. Another thing that I've noted is they have given us braided charging cable, also the charging brick, which is a very unusual thing in Apple history. But again, I think it's a good thing. Now let's switch it on and find out what's in store for us. Move your head slowly to complete. Slowly. Now talking about the camera, it has a 12 megapixel primary lens and also a 10 megapixel ultra wide. You can also see the LED flash, the LiDAR sensor inside. Imagine clicking pictures like this. Mama. Oh, weird. Now let's check out the front camera. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide. But what I feel is that I don't know where I'm looking. So imagine you're in a web call. And then suddenly they're like, why are you not looking at my face? And I'm like, dude, I am looking at your face. But the problem is the camera is on the smaller side. They put it here. Usually they put it on the longer side in the center. But anyway, I don't know what's going on. Probably you might want to do this again. I'm going to look like this. Now let's come to the display over here. It is an 11-inch display what we have here. They also have a 12.9-inch display in the market. So yeah, I think it makes a small difference, but still, I'm still stuck in the web camera, like the positioning. What were you thinking? I'm still disappointed. The display is liquid retina with 4K resolution. They also have 120Hz refresh rate and 600 nits at peak brightness. So you know what that means? It means the movie experience when you watch a movie on the go while you're traveling. If you're having a busy day, suddenly you want to watch a movie when you're traveling. I think this is going to be the perfect solution because it has a Dolby Vision and also it has like 600 nits peak brightness. The audio is really nice. Now talking about the battery, it has a 7500 mAh battery and also it supports 18 watts fast charge. Now let's come to the main highlight of this iPad Pro because when I bought this iPad Pro, this is the first thing that I noticed. It has an M2 chip. As you know, Apple has come out with an M2 chip and that is the best chip they have ever come out with and that is inside this cute little thing. It won't get heated up and it consumes very less battery. So that is the best part about an M2 chip and that's brilliant and it's all in here. It has an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU and 16-core neural engine, which means if you are a graphic designer, do 3D models or if you're working on something really heavy, this is a perfect thing for you because it is going to be really fast and the rate at which they're going to process everything is going to be so fast. So it's actually meant for all the creators out there who like to work, who like to draw and do 3D stuff. You know, that's exactly why they have the LiDAR sensor. So yeah, it's got a lot of good things and I think it's perfect if you're a creator. In this model, we have an 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. Time for something. I'm missing something. So let's call up an Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. I think this is the perfect partner for an iPad because I used to love writing notes when I was in school, okay? I used to like chumma scribble while I was in class. And the best part about it is it's so nice, you know, when you feel it. Like, it's a very solid pen. You can actually, you know, just attach it like this. See, and it's getting charged. You won't really lose it because once it fixes, no, it's actually very difficult to get it out. So it's very safe there. And also, if you're an artist, if you like to illustrate or doodle, or if you're somebody who likes to sketch people as you travel, because you see so many reels on Instagram where people travel and suddenly they see a place or a person and they just draw them and they show it to them, and there's an emotional moment. So if you like, be in the present moment and just start drawing things, this is a perfect pen. And also, it supports DaVinci already. So if you're an editor, you can use your editing skills on the go. And the best part is it is coming up with FCP. Apple is going to introduce that very soon. So it's the best news for all the editors out there. Guys, I'm trying to explore the editing possibilities here. I'm using DaVinci and I'm trying to edit a small video that I shot like a few days back of Nila. So let's see how it works. Very easy because I'm able to touch everything exactly where I want to because of the pen. You're going to take some time to get used to the pen, but once you get used to it, I think it's going to be the best way to edit. It's going to be a new revelation for all of you who are editors. And if you're wondering if this is a perfect replacement to a laptop, I would say yes, because it has all the features of a laptop. It has amazing features and it is lightweight. If you want a keyboard, you can just attach it to it, and also the M2 chip, the display, the sound, everything looks great. It is also compatible with the Magic Keyboard and the Smart Keyboard Folio. So if you want to use keyboard, that's the perfect thing. And talking about the connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 6. I know it's non-existent at the moment, but it is for future-proofing because they know it's going to happen in future. So they have already given us Wi-Fi 6 and it has Bluetooth 5.3. It's time to give a shout out for our sponsor of today's episode, which is Oxygen, the digital expert. By the way, their brand new showroom has come up in Kottakkal. So do go check it out because it's a beautiful, huge showroom. All your favorite gadgets, the latest tech, all your home appliances that you're looking for, the perfect pricing. Please make sure you visit the nearest Oxygen showroom. And also, if you use my code Pearle1000, you get 1,000 rupees discount on any purchase. So thank you so much, Oxygen, for being the oxygen of this show. And coming to the main part, if you're wondering what the pricing is, the basic variant is 82,000 rupees, and I think it is worth it because, as you know, Apple keeps on coming with these updates and everything. So as long as you want to use it, you can keep on using it. It's about how you use it. Just don't throw it around. Just keep it. Buy a nice cover. And I'm going to start using this iPad Pro because I've been telling Srini that I want to use it for myself. I want it for myself because I'm an editor too and I love to doodle. So when I'm with Nila, instead of giving her games, I usually like to, give her time to doodle or draw because that's actually a very creative thing for kids as well. So probably that's another thing that me and Nila would love to explore as we travel. Another thing is my editors, they've been asking me for this, so definitely they're not getting it. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Pearle Technique, and this is your favorite show. If you still haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Yeah. So if you still haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you stay tuned because we have the best gadgets, the latest things coming to our show. That's what you want us to do. That's what we're trying. Also, we will do it. Just give us some time, duh. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye.